Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome to Motor Vlog Brownie again. So today, what we thought of is that we have indicators which are non-LEDs. So we are trying to replace it with the LED light. Because it gives a little bit of a good look. So that is why I have bought these two. This is one product, but in a two packages. So this one is an LED, which is same as in my Benelli TNT300, which it's the first copy of it. So it's the same. So which costed me almost 400 rupees, 350 to 400 rupees is what you get in the stores that I have bought it. So I'm gonna fix this, and I'll show you today how you are going to fix yourself. All this, you need a little bit of equipments for that, to remove the headlights and few other parts of the vehicle. So I'll show you what you need, and it may save you around 250 to 300 rupees if you install it by yourself. So let's go ahead and continue installing. So yeah guys, first we need this screwdriver to remove the number plate and this, so that we can remove this headlight easily. So let's do it. Okay, so now it's time to remove this windshield, so we'll do that. Okay, the windshield has been removed now, so let's get onto the headlight. So to remove the headlight, you just need a spanner. The spanner should be like this, because with the normal spanners you cannot remove this. So you can see it here. So this one, with the normal spanner, if you have this, you need a 8mm spanner. You cannot remove this, you cannot insert it anyways. So I didn't had this one too. This is a 10mm. So I had I had one kind of screwdriver where I had a 8mm in here. So I want to remove this now. So yeah guys, you have to loosen a little bit this side, so this point will fit in here. So that is the reason you cannot remove it so easily. If you expand the one a little, you can take it out very easily. That is possible. Now it's time to check about the wiring. So here is the whole wiring. Here are the indicator wires, you can see. So we just need to take off the indicator right now. So that will be very easy to remove. You need a 12 number spanner to remove it. Okay, so here, so this side it is blue. Unplug it. So here it is green. Okay, let's take it out. So let's put this indicator here. So let me loosen it. I feel this is having a little bit of premium quality compared to the one which is already there. So we'll tighten it a little late. We'll test it now. So this side it was blue, so I'm keeping red here. Yep. So that side it was green, I'm keeping a black. So it's just direct plug and play. You don't need any of a flasher or anything, so it's not necessary. Okay, let me turn on and see whether it works. Okay, so you can see it is working. All fine. Great. So let's install another one. So yeah, so orange, that place will keep a red one, and in the place of green we'll keep the black. Turn on and see. So this indicator also working, and that one as well. Cool. So let's tighten it a little. So now check whether it works. Okay, one is working. So what about the other one? The headlights, everything is working. Just check once, everything is working fine. Yeah, so both the sides indicates are working. Cool. Let's get back to behind. So here you can see I have just cut the wires directly. Otherwise, you know, I need to remove a lot of things to do it. I thought it is better to do it way easier. So yeah, so this call I didn't had a spanner to remove all those things, so I thought, you know, it's not so necessary to do all those things by removing it. So I just installed directly as I did in the front. Yeah, now here you can see how did I made it. So that is the original cable of the old indicator, and here I taped it. Yeah, so here you can see I have taped the new one to it. So it has a 2 wires again. The green goes to black and the other color goes to red. So here the blue to red, the orange to red, and another color green will be black. Yeah, let's just check all of the indicator works for us. See what difference that you are seeing. The way the size got reduced and it is looking little bit, you know, good looking now. Okay, turned on the indicator. Yeah, this is working fine. So let's check at the front. Yeah, great. The other side we'll check. Yes. Oh, cool, it's working fine. Hope you guys like the video. Please do like, share and subscribe. Comment down if you need anything.